Welcome back. Today we are spending some quality time in the kitchen making a simple family meal with my toddler. I love moments like this, messy but full of joy. So guys, come along with me and watch us in the kitchen. Okay, thank you. So this one is clean. Thank you.
And this one is clean for you. This one
Thank you.
clean for you. And this one is clean for you.
Thank you.
Now can you wash that?
Yeah, you can wash that. Don't wash this one, okay? I'll wash this one now.
Mom, can you soap?
Yeah, you just take a little bit of soap.
Mom, this covers. Mom, there's pasta in there.
Yeah, I use the pan to make pasta in the morning. Yeah, don't let me know. I want to wash the air fryer.
Yeah. There. There. Whoa. Go. Now look how I'm washing
Let me
my
see.
broccoli.
Yeah. We'll wash it. Wash it. There's no soap here. My dishwasher. Let me see. I want to help in the kitchen. Okay. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One of the cheese will come through like this. And I will take a picture of you. Now what can I do next, Mommy?
What can you do next?
Yeah.
I want to blend the tomatoes, so we can blend this together. Okay? Yeah.
I'm so excited to blend the potatoes with you.
You say what?
I'm so excited to blend the potatoes. Mom, look at Dada. Mommy, is that Dada's friend? Mama,
Yeah.
Dada. Mom, see Dada. What are you making?
Chicken.
Chicken? I don't like chicken. I put the water in the chicken.
Yeah, so the chicken. Okay.
Is that sauce? Sauce in the chicken?
No, just the water for the chicken.
And my mommy is so proud of me. And my mommy gave me a hug. And mommy loves me.
It's so funny. Thank you. When I need your help, I will call you, okay?
I want to stay with you next door.
Yeah, scissors, please. Put the scissors down. Wash it.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Like this. It's okay, it's okay. Not like this. Put your hand like this. We need to change the water. It's still dirty.
I will do it. I will do it again. Yeah.
Slowly, slowly.
Let it.
You can change it again. Put your hand like this.